Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Logically. In today's video, we will be writing a program to find the sum of digits in a number. This is a very common program which is asked in many interviews. So let's get started. As you can see here, if the input is 1 to 3 or 123, output should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So as you can see, first the digits are separated here and then their sum is produced. So definitely there will be two parts. First, separating digits and sum of digits. So to separate the digits, there is a very simple logic. If I divide the number 1 to 3 by 10, it gives me 12. But if I get the remainder of this operation, then it gives me 3. So 3 is the digit which we are looking for. Similarly, now as I have already divided 1 to 3 by 10, now if I divide 12 by 10 again, so it will give me 1 as a division and remainder as 2, which is again our digit. So we are getting digits with the remainder operation. So let's convert this logic into code itself. First I am having variable sum in which our sum will be updated. Then I am having a number as an input. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8 is our number. Now I'm having a loop. Why? Because this, as you can see, this operation is being performed iteratively until the number is greater than 0. Because let's say if we have a division as 1 here, if I do 1 by 10, it will give me division as 0 and mod as 1. So it has given us digit as 1, but the division has become 0. So we can stop here the next operation as we have extracted all the digits in this number. So I'm having a condition as number greater than 0. Sum is equal to sum plus digit separation logic is mod 10. So the number mod 10 and the new number should be assigned with number by 10, so that it will keep reducing the number and having digits separated and adding them into the sum at the same time in a single loop. So at the end of this loop, we should get a sum. Let's print the sum and check if it is working. So in our case, the sum of this should be 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 26. Yes, it is giving us the correct result. Let's try and change this number somehow. Let's say I'm having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. 9 times 1, so it should return 1. Oh, sorry, 9. Right. So it is pretty simple logic, but the question is widely asked in interview processes. Oh, let's try and have some other number as well. Let's say 98120, which will give us the 19 result. 20. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 0 is 0. So it is returning us the correct result. Practice it on your own. It is very simple program, very simple logic. So that's it for today's video. I will meet you soon in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.